Hello. Do you often having difficulties in writing academic papers in English? I would like to share the information about how I improve my skill in academic writing. So let's dive right into it. Hello, my name is Stefanus Eko Wahyudi. Currently, I'm studying Doctor of Technology Management at Institut Teknologi 10 November or ITS Surabaya, one of the best public universities in Indonesia. As a doctorate student, I should write academic papers, which is challenging for students with English as a second language. So when I got the ITS Global Engagement Office information about the Virtual English Language Fellow, I instantly registered for this program. I was fortunate enough to be selected as one of the participants and meet with Ms. Sarah Ford as the Virtual English Language Fellow. The course was organized for 6 topics and another 3 sessions for the opening, midterm evaluation, and the closing meeting that will be conducted in the next few days. On the first session, we reflected on our English proficiency by using some free online tests and also asked some reflection questions. Sarah reminded us to always try to improve our English by reading more and expand our vocabulary, for example through taking notes in vocabulary notebooks. In the second session, Sarah introduced a helpful book called Real Grammar and asked us to do some exercises from the book. This session covers the type of research papers, vocabulary for academic writing, reporting verbs, and how to write a bibliography in academic papers. The third session covers how to read academic papers, including skimming, scanning, searching, and surveying, along with other reading strategies. In the fourth online meeting session, Sarah introduces the concept of coherence and cohesion in writing. In the fifth meeting, we discuss the importance of conversational skills to allow us to communicate in a more effective way with our supervisors as well as with our peers. In the last session, Ms. Sarah provides us with the tips to make a successful presentation, including organizing the presentation topics, directing audience attention, and handling questions. All in all, the topic covered in the series of 6 sessions were handy for me to improve my writing skill, especially for academic writing. Sarah was very friendly and patient with us, provide us with the opportunity to ask and confirm anything we need, which is one of the big plus points of this course. Moreover, we also got some insightful information to successfully communicate our ideas with our supervisors as well as to present them in academic setting. As for the suggestion for improvement, I would like to suggest setting the course on regular weekly or bi-weekly meetings so the programs can be completed in a shorter time in order to maintain the participant focus. And so, I would like to recommend this program to all of you if you are an ITS student and you need to improve your academic writing capabilities. Finally, I would like to thank Ms. Sarah Ford for the time and efforts to improve our English skills to produce higher quality papers as well as our English in general. I would like to express my gratitude to the ITS International Office for the opportunity to join this helpful program. Hopefully, there will be a similar and follow-up programs offered that support us to finish our study on time in top quality according to ITS standards. If you want some more information regarding this program, please check the link that I put on the description box below. That's all I can share with you. Bye for now.